A very good morning to one and all. Children, this is again your English language class, and we are going to continue. We are going to continue with the topic negative sentences. We have seen affirmative, children, positive sentences, and negative sentences in our last class. Children, you know that negative sentences are the ones which have no or not in them. No, not, never, these words. Alright? Now, today, let us quickly revise. We add the word not after the helping verb, children. Okay? After the helping verb, we are playing cricket becomes we are not playing cricket. Are is the helping verb here, and playing is the main verb here, which is there in ing form, which means continuous tense, right? Right. Let us see some more examples. Children, when the verb is there in continuous tense, we will add not after the helping verb. Alright? We will add not after the helping verb. For example, Priya is working these days. Priya is not working these days. You were present in the class yesterday. You were not present in the class yesterday, children. Were is the helping verb. I was absent yesterday. I was not absent yesterday. Was is the helping verb. They are coming to attend this meeting. They are not coming to attend this meeting. Yes, children. Okay, so these are the examples of helping verb. When the verbs are there, when helping verb is there, we will add not after the helping verb and before the main verb to change an affirmative or positive sentence into negative sentence, children. Okay? Now, let us see some more. There are three types of sentences. Negative sentences they have no or not in them, and they end with a full stop. Like Priya is not working these days. We were not present in the class yesterday. There are no students in the class now. Kamal doesn't have a car. Children, we did contracted forms in the last class. What does doesn't mean? Does and not. So does and not we write together in a short form. Doesn't. Okay. I could not complete your work yesterday. She didn't bring my book that day. Did not. There was no water in the lake. We have no light in our house today. So children, the sentences with not or no represent negative sentences. Alright? Okay, now let us see some more examples where the verb is in continuous tense. Okay? We use the continuous tense to talk about things that are happening now. We use it with the structure be plus verb plus ing. Children, be, I told you, be represents helping verbs. Is, am, are, was, were. Remember, we did this when we were doing helping verbs? Yes, correct. Let us see some examples. I am drinking coffee. This is a positive sentence. I am not drinking beer. I am not drinking beer. Children, am is the helping verb and drinking is the main verb. So after the helping verb and before the main verb, we will put not to change a positive sentence into negative. I am eating a hamburger. I am not eating chocolate. I am traveling by train. I am not traveling by bus. I am playing football. I am not playing basketball. I am visiting the garden. I am not visiting the zoo. I am wearing a dress. I'm not wearing a bikini. Alright? Okay. Now, children, these sentences which we have seen till now were the easy ones. You just have to see the helping verb and put not after the helping verb. But these type of sentences which are there on your screen in front of you right now, In these, you don't have helping verbs, children. These are used when the tense or the verb in a sentence is in simple tense. I repeat, when the verb in the sentence, the main verb in the sentence is in simple present tense or simple past tense, then children, we are supposed to use do or does or did plus not to change a positive sentence into negative. Children, we have done this. Do and does. These two helping verbs are used when the sentence is in simple present tense. Do is used when the subject is plural and with subject I. Does is used when the subject is singular. Did is used when the sentence is in simple past tense. Okay, now let us see some examples here. My mother lets me go out with my friends. Now let's is the sentence. Let's is the verb which is in simple present tense. Now we have to see the subject, children. The subject is my mother, which is a singular subject. So we are going to change it into negative. My mother does not let me go out with my friends. Now does not can be written as doesn't also, the contracted form. I prefer my black coffee. Prefer is the verb which is in simple present tense. So we will see the subject. Subject is I. Now with I we always use do. We have done this in helping verbs, children. I do not prefer my coffee black. Do not, the contracted form is don't. She puts the keys on the table. Now puts is the verb in simple present tense. She is the subject which is singular. So she does not put the keys on the table. Now the contracted form of does not is doesn't, children, right? Okay, now we can see some more examples here. Children, with I, you, we, they, we use don't or do not. Okay, plural subjects. With he, she, it, we use doesn't or does not. Okay, singular subject. So you speak English, you do not speak English, or you can say you don't speak English. He speaks English. Speaks is the verb which is in present tense. So he, we will see the subject. He is a singular subject. So he does not speak English, or you can also write it as he doesn't speak English. All right. Similarly, she has a cat. She doesn't have a cat. Contractions. Do not becomes don't. Does not becomes doesn't. Okay. I start. I do not start. You start. You do not start. He does not start. She does not start. It does not start. We do not start. You do not start. And they do not start. Children, when the sentence is in simple present, you have to see the subject. Let us see some more examples. Debu is a good boy. Debu is not a good boy. Does he take tea? Does he not take tea? Go there. Do not go there. May you prosper in life. May you not prosper in life. Hurrah, tomorrow is a holiday. Alas, tomorrow is not a holiday. Or you can also say it as hurrah, tomorrow is not a working day. Okay, children. So these were negative sentences. We will refer to our textbook also and do the exercises which are given in the book. Have a nice day, children. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.